last update was as of December 21, 2023, and it became effective on January 1st. There's not been major changes since the previous processes that were in place for an interview waiver, but primarily, a consular officer has the ability to waive the interview of any applicant who's a first-time H-2 visa applicant, which are temporary agricultural or non-agricultural workers, and any other non-immigrant visa applicants who are applying for any non-immigrant visa classification, as long as they were previously issued a non-immigrant visa and under any visa category except a B or B1 or a B2 visa, and are applying within 48 months of their most recent non-immigrant visa expiration date. So to explain, if I had, let's say, a student visa, F1, on which expired on September 2022, and I would be able to secure a non-immigrant visa waiver for, let's say, my H-1B visa stamping, as long as my H-1B visa stamping application is made within basically 4 years of my F1 visa expiring. So there's a 48-month period in which your last visa should have expired or has expired. And in that period, you can request a non-immigrant visa waiver. And typically, the system automatically, when you secure or you request an appointment, tends to let you know whether you have what's called a Dropbox appointment or you need to go in to an interview in order to do so. Now, also, the applicant has to meet the following criteria. They need to apply for the new visa application in their country of residence or nationality, and they should have never been refused a visa in the past unless that visa refusal was overcome or waived by a consular officer. And there should not be any other potential ineligibilities, like if, let's say, they were arrested for something or they violated any immigration laws, then they're not eligible for an interview waiver either. At the same time, I do want everybody to know that you may meet all of these criteria, but the officer can still have you come in for an interview because they want to verify information that has been submitted with your application. Getting an interview is not a bad thing. It just means that before they can approve or process your visa application, they need to be able to talk to you and get some questions answered. And oftentimes that leads to the visa getting approved if there are obviously not any red flags that the officer notices, and is a fairly seamless process.